Welcome to Costa Rica, a land of lush rainforests, pristine beaches, and the infectious Pura Vida spirit. Whether you're a backpacker seeking adventure or a luxury traveler craving pampering, Costa Rica has something for everyone. This guide is your passport to experiencing this tropical paradise. From budget-friendly tips to luxurious indulgences, I'll explore top attractions, uncover hidden gems, and equip you with practical advice to make the most of your journey. So pack your bags, grab your sunscreen, and get ready to embrace the Pura Vida lifestyle. Costa Rica's currency is the colon, but US dollars are widely accepted. ATMs are readily available, but notify your bank before you go. Budget travelers, embrace the local sodas for delicious, affordable meals. Look for hostels and guest houses for budget-friendly accommodation. Public transportation is your friend. Luxury travelers, splurge on a stay at a 5-star resort with stunning ocean views. Indulge in gourmet dining experiences and private tours. Rent a car for ultimate flexibility and comfort. Costa Rica offers a variety of transportation options to suit every budget and preference. Budget travelers, hop on local buses for an authentic experience. They're cheap and frequent, but be prepared for crowded rides. Share a shuttle. They are affordable and great for airport transfers and popular routes. Luxury travelers, private shuttles offer door-to-door service with air conditioning and comfortable seating. For the ultimate indulgence, consider a helicopter tour for breathtaking aerial views of volcanoes and coastlines. Costa Rica's rainforests are teeming with biodiversity and adventure opportunities. Budget travelers, explore national parks like Manuel Antonio and Corcovado on foot. Hike through lush trails, spot monkeys and sloths, and cool off in waterfalls. Keep an eye out for free walking tours in towns like La Fortuna. Luxury travelers, experience the rainforest canopy on a thrilling zipline adventure. Book a guided tour for expert insights into the flora and fauna. Consider a stay at an eco-lodge nestled in the heart of the jungle. From the Pacific to the Caribbean, Costa Rica boasts stunning beaches perfect for relaxation and water activities. For budget travelers, head to popular beaches like Tamarindo and Puerto Viejo, where you can catch some waves with surfing lessons, hang out at beachside bars, and find affordable accommodation. Don't forget to pack a picnic and find a secluded spot to enjoy the sunset. On the other hand, luxury travelers can indulge in a stay at a beachfront villa, complete with private pools and butler service. Why not charter a boat for a day of snorkeling, diving, or fishing in pristine waters? And to top it all off, pamper yourself with a spa treatment overlooking the ocean. Costa Rican cuisine is a delightful blend of fresh flavors and traditional dishes. For budget travelers, start your day with Gallo Pinto, the national dish of rice and beans. Sample casados, platters of rice, beans, meat, and plantains at local sodas. And don't miss out on fresh tropical fruits from roadside vendors. For luxury travelers, indulge in gourmet dining experiences at award-winning restaurants. Savor fresh seafood, international cuisine, and innovative cocktails. And why not take a cooking class to learn the secrets of Costa Rican flavors? Costa Rica is a wildlife enthusiast's dream, home to a remarkable array of creatures. For budget travelers, visit wildlife sanctuaries like the Jaguar Rescue Center, where you can observe rescued animals up close. Take a guided night walk to spot nocturnal creatures like frogs and snakes. And keep your eyes peeled for monkeys and sloths in national parks. For luxury travelers, embark on a private wildlife safari with expert guides to track elusive animals. Stay at a rainforest lodge with access to private reserves and specialized tours. Consider a birdwatching tour to spot colorful toucans, macaws, and hummingbirds. Venture beyond the tourist hotspots to discover Costa Rica's hidden treasures. For budget travelers, explore the charming mountain town of Monteverde, known for its cloud forests and hanging bridges. Visit the remote Osa Peninsula, a biodiversity hotspot with pristine beaches and untouched rainforests. For luxury travelers, charter a yacht to explore secluded islands like Isla Tortuga, known for its white sand beaches and crystal clear waters. Or rent a private villa in the mountains for breathtaking views and tranquility. From budget-friendly adventures to luxurious escapes, Costa Rica offers a truly unforgettable travel experience. Embrace the Pura Vida spirit, explore its natural wonders, and savor its vibrant culture. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Costa Rica. I encourage you to continue exploring the world and discovering new adventures. I'd love to hear your feedback and suggestions for future travel topics. Share your thoughts and let me know where you'd like to explore next. As I wrap up this journey through the stunning landscapes and captivating culture of Costa Rica, I hope you've been inspired to pack your bags and experience this vibrant country for yourself. Whether you're seeking thrilling adventures or serene escapes, Costa Rica has something special for every traveler. Remember, the world is vast and full of wonders waiting to be explored. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to not miss out on my next adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow travel enthusiasts. Until next time, keep exploring and safe travels.